Hi everyone, my name is Marcus. In February of 2021, I did a review of this battery, which is a Newmowa battery for my Sony ZV-1 camera. In the video, I compared this battery to the stock Sony battery. You can purchase 3 of these Newmowa batteries with a charger on Amazon for about the same amount of money as it will cost you to buy 1 replacement Sony battery. If you're interested in purchasing this battery and that charging kit, you can go ahead and follow the link in the description to Amazon to purchase them. So 3 batteries and a charger for less than the cost of 1 Sony battery. I've had some people comment over the last year asking how is the battery holding up. So we're going to take a look at both the initial battery longevity when the batteries were both new, and we'll be comparing that to a year and approximately 4 months later to see how are they holding up. How much has the Sony battery degraded in recording time comparatively to the Newmowa battery. So first let's take a look at the longevity of these 2 batteries side by side from my original review in February of 2021 to see how long they lasted. So as you saw in that video, the Sony battery lasted 59 minutes and 48 seconds comparatively to the Newmowa battery lasted 50 minutes and 11 seconds. So pretty close proximity. The battery does not last as long, but keep in mind you can purchase 3 of these batteries together for lower than the cost of 1 extra Sony battery. Now let's take a look at how long these batteries last in June of 2022. As you saw on the table, there was an asterisk next to the Newmowa battery, and I listed out that there were 2 clips that together added up to the total recording time. In testing the Newmowa battery, I did test them multiple times. I found consistently the Newmowa battery would cause the Sony camera to shut down before the battery had run out of power. Then I would have to turn the camera back on and continue recording. So that does seem to be an issue that's occurring only with the Newmowa battery. In the same environment, I did not have any issue when I tested the Sony battery on multiple occasions. Sony battery ran 1 continuous clip for the full time until the battery depleted, then the camera shut off. Newmowa consistently 2 clips every time. So that's something to keep in mind if it's really important to you to capture video in a solid long clip without interruption. If you're creating short small clips, that doesn't really matter to you. But keep in mind that Newmowa battery, you get a charger and 3 batteries for under the cost of the Sony battery. So they're still a really great value. And if you did need to occasionally create a clip where it's going to be a longer 50-minute video, I guess at that point I would say after the course of a year, you'll probably want to go ahead and grab the Sony battery rather than one of the 3 Newmowa batteries. If you're just doing 1 to 3 minute clips, just go ahead and grab any battery. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out the links in the description of this video to purchase the Sony ZV-1 camera, the Newmowa, and Sony replacement batteries. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.